Yeah. Probably the last time I'll ever be on this track. Check it. March 27th, shit, 7:27 a.m. Trying to get it back on the fucking time bend. Excuse me if I wanna hang with my friends, but every time I smoke weed, it never ends. We always gonna hang out and fucking bang out. Shit, if we got enough weed, man, we'll slang out. Shit, I might as well just play now. A fucking bangers beat, but I just wanna get laid down. No way, spray down. Of all the lyrics that I've got to fucking play now. Shit, I gotta fucking hate now. Of all the fucking shit that I've done, how can I hate? How? Shit, why and when? Of all the shit that I've done, of all the people that I can depend on. Fuck it though, I just keep on lay on. Shit, man, nigga, play on. I'm another year older, not another day sober. Cause every time I'm in, I'm just fucking over. I'm getting older, but it seems like I'm just trying to tell you what I told you before. The same damn thing, everything is coming out like a different ring. Excuse me, if I'm just getting back in the ring. And I'm losing the fight, but I'ma keep going, swinging, posting, holding, choking. All you motherfuckers trying to hate me cause I'm from Newark, bitch, trying to hang it out. But fuck it though, we gon' sling it down, play it down, train it down. Excuse me if I'm fucking playing now. If I got the right type of message, man, hit me up. Shit, but normally I don't give a fuck. So what? I might as well just smoke a blunt, smoke a joint to shit my pain away. No wait, man, I'm just trying to sit down so I can have myself fade away and just veg out all over my fucking couch and pass the fuck out and wake up to the morning now. Wait for the time and the limit. Everybody bitching about my fucking position, the missions of all the fucking shit that I have been given, but I've been missing all the fucking lessons that I've been fucking getting. Shit, I keep spitting, and everybody think that I'm always gonna be quitting, but this is the thing I'll never fucking quit off of, cause it's all my fucking life here, but I'm just getting bud. Fuck, swing and miss, feeling dumb, everybody trying to get where the fuck we from, but I'm just a non-ball out, and never gave a fuck when I fell out, bounce, yeah, I'm like rubber, fuck it though, I'm just a silly motherfucker, yep. Girls, I'm like your brother, but I'm the lovey type of motherfucker. So, love up, rub on the fat boy. Excuse me if I'm just fucking rum drum. Excuse me if I'm so drunk. I'm just doing all the fucking dumb shit out the fucking way so I can get so dumb. Yeah, I'm from the fucking East Bay, from 510. Yeah, we don't fucking play. We take the AKs and fucking take an extendo clip. Take that shit to your head and best believe we ain't gon' miss. I have the precision with the fucking sniper. Shit, if I'ma do it, man, I'ma set your ass on fire. Fucking put gasoline on you and then hit the floor. Fucking hit a beat, then we're fucking out to the door. Boom. I got off traffic. I got off topic, my bad. My fucking mind's just turning right now. It's my birthday. Yeah. So, I kick a free flow, and everybody knows when I'm coming back home, it's a party. Yeah, I'll reef a party, bring your own beers, and best believe we'll get hardy. Bring some alcohol, bring the E and J, maybe the JG. Fuck it though, yeah, leave the captain for me, cause I'ma do it like it's happening, but I'm slapping all the fucking good shit from Burner and French Montana and the Wiz Khalifa. Yeah, we burn the reefer, then we hanging with Be Legit. No wait, in our dreams up, cause you know what, man, this blue dream blood is about to get my fucking shit all fucked up, cause I try to keep myself on topic. It's my birthday, and I'm 20. Never gave a fuck about it, man, I'm making money. Trying to get it back cause I feel fucking dummy. I always get off topic cause I'm a fucking scummy bag. Never gave a fucking man cause I'ma just kick it. I'm just gonna kick it and just be fucking with it, cause everybody knows that I'm listening to the fucking dumb comments on Facebook and Instagram, but everybody just knows that I'm the Insta man, Insta ham. Yeah, I do it with my fam. Yeah, wicked clowns, motherfucker, you know who I am. Killer Fluffy, all the women used to love me, but yeah, they fucking hate my guts and now they can just suck me. It's my birthday, bitch. Don't give a fuck about me.